What you looking at? Is that the fan? Is that the ceiling fan? Is it? It's her first time actually paying attention to what's on the ceiling, and she is enamored. Yeah, what is that? What is it? We should hang your toys from the ceiling fan, huh? 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 What's up there? What's up there? You see it? What do you see, little girl? What do you see? What do you see?